What up though YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo from Doc Barber Jacobs, and I hope everyone is safe and healthy. And today I'm gonna be dropping this haircut tutorial because I haven't done it in a while. I've been doing a lot of self-cut tutorials as well as product reviews, so we're trying to mix it up a few things a little bit here. And if this is your first time watching a video from Doc Barber channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button before you move on, or share with your friends. Also give this video a thumbs up. And I'm gonna be starting this haircut with creating the initial guideline around this hair using this trimmer and clean out the bulk. Alright, so take out your hair clipper with adjustable lever, no guard, so there's no guard is attached to this clipper right now, and open up the lever all the way, and I'm creating my second guideline around this hair. And as you can see it right here, you can see that initial guideline is still remain on the scalp, but we'll come back to that later to take that line off. Take out your number one guard lever all the way open and go up so that second guideline is visible on the scalp, but we'll come back to that later because my method is to go through each step and then erase that guidelines at the end. So don't worry about it, just to make sure going back and forth so that all the hair is evening out across the hair. Alright, take out your number two guard, lever all the way open, and I'm just going up so that I can take off that bulk of hair on the top. And after this, I'm gonna start erasing that line from the bottom all the way to the up. This is a small technique that barbers use to blend the side and the top. It's called clipper over comb. Basically, all you have to do is tilt that comb in 45 degrees and run through clipper. It's pretty simple and it's very useful when it comes to blending the side and the top. So now I'll be erasing all that guidelines that I've created, and I'm gonna be starting off with the bottom line. So no guard level all the way closed. I'm just flicking out the line until the line disappears. To erase that second guideline, I like to use 0.5 guard, lever all the way close, using my corner of my blade to flick out that line. And I know some of y'all do not have 0.5 guard. You can replace it with no guard, lever all the way open, but make sure to use that corner of the blade because you don't want to create another harsh guideline and leave patches on the side of the hair. I just want to say one thing. I know the world is chaotic out there these days. People be hating on each other just because they're different from each other. So make sure to spread love, not hate. Because at the end of the day, we're just humans. We're just head to head, blood to blood, person to person. I know our time is limited on earth, so why do we hate on each other? We might just as well love each other while we lasted here on earth. So that's what I want to say in this video. So make sure you do so. Now I'm coming back to number 1.5 guard, lever all the way close. This is just to bridge the fade on the side to the hair on the top. Trying to blend in that dark, bulky spot. And I'm using my corner of my blade once again to blend it nicely. Detail work is the most important part of haircut. Let me repeat it again. Detailing is so important because it just gives you know, the extra additional look to the haircut. It just sets you different from everyone else if you do detail work. So I like to use number 1 guard, lever all the way open, using my corner just to flick out, you know, tiny dark spot to blend in nicely. At the end of the haircut, I like to etch up the hairline, make it look crispy and sharp. So my client walk into the store looking like this, and boom, this is the cut. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below what you think, and make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you very soon. Boost!